Here's a Samsung Galaxy A13 smartphone. I'm going to show you 4 ways how you can turn off or restart the smartphone. Okay, so the first way is the most obvious. Power button's here. Just press and hold the power button. Your power off menu here pops up. You can tap on power off or you can restart from here. Second way to power off or restart is the 2-key combination. You want to hold the volume down and power button. Volume down, power button. Press and hold both buttons and just wait until the power off menu here appears and you can turn off or restart. Another way how to restart or turn off is if you go ahead and slide down your notifications. So just slide down right here one more time, and the power off button is right there. Tap on that right there and you can turn off or restart. Now the last way I have for you, there's actually several more ways you can power off or shut down, but these are the most common ones. But let me show you how to force a restart. Okay, you force a restart basically if you can't get to this power off menu, or maybe your screen's not working or it's frozen. So what you can do is this. It's a 2-key combination. Again, it's going to be volume down and power, but this time we want to do is volume down, power. We want to press and hold both buttons and do not let go until we see a Samsung logo appear. Okay, so we'll do it together. Volume down, power. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. Keep on holding, don't let go. The power off menu here will appear. Just ignore it. Just continue to keep on holding. Volume down, power until we see the Samsung logo appear. Still holding both buttons here. Where is, oh, there was the Samsung logo right there. Go ahead and let go and wait for it to boot up normally. And there you go. We're now up and running. All right, pretty simple.